Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change YouTube profile picture. It is a very simple step. Firstly, go to your YouTube application. Now at this home page, at the bottom right, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it and you will be led to this kind of page. And there you can see pencil icon at the top right beside manage videos. Tap on it. Again, you will be led to this kind of page. And at the top, you can see two camera icon. Now, in order to change a profile picture, you need to tap on the one which is inside the circle. Now, this kind of box will pop up. There you can see two options, take a photo or choose from your photos. You can either take yourself a photo and upload it, or you can choose from your gallery. For this video, we will go for take a photo. Now, after that, all you need to do is click yourself a photo. And there you can see two options, retake or use photo. If you are not satisfied with the photo, then you can tap on retake. But if you are done, then you can simply tap on use photo. And here you can crop out the part that you want to keep as your profile picture. After you are done, you can simply tap on save at the top right. And now you can see that your profile picture has been updated successfully. And this is how easily you can update your profile picture. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.